Welcome back to another FoodSmart feature tutorial. In this video, we will go over how to easily add your favorite recipes to a grocery list and order through our partners at Walmart and Instacart. FoodSmart grocery lists make getting everything you need to prepare healthy, delicious meals both easy and affordable. To start your list, you first need to find some recipes you love. You can do this by creating a meal plan or by searching our recipe categories. Once you find a meal that you want to make, press the Add to Grocery List button at the bottom, and when the entire list of ingredients pops up, add a green check mark for what you need to get and uncheck what you already have at home. Once you have added all your ingredients to the list, you can double-check the list by food category or by recipe. Delete any unwanted ingredients or remove whole meals that you no longer want. You can also use the plus sign at the bottom right corner to add additional items that may not be in your recipes. Now that our list is done, we can order our groceries from Walmart or Instacart. Click on your preferred option and edit the order as needed. You can change the amount of ingredients, add additional items, and even swap for a different brand. Finish checking out through Walmart or Instacart and get excited for all of your new groceries. We hope you found this grocery list tutorial helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.